Hello, good morning to everyone. Those of us joining from the UK, Canada, US, welcome to this fantastic opportunity to share with us how to kick off our project management career even while abroad. Okay, are we good? So we're ready to go. So Rotimi, I'll use you as my reference. Confirm that you can see my screen. Fantastic. So what I will do is that I will run through the discussions. Then once we are done, then we can take question and answers. During that session, I would unmute the mic. I think we have about 20 individuals online. Okay, that's fine. So let's discuss. So the focus today is on reaching your peak, then how to launch your global project management career. And this is powered by Pearson and Fusion Business Academy. And then I'm going to cover 4 key areas in our discussions. So I'm going to be looking at thriving project management landscape, how to land your dream project management role, exploring your options, then resources for your jump hot. Now, let's look at an interesting statistics here. It says the project management field is experiencing explosive growth. A 2021 PMI report projects a need of nearly 25 million new project management roles by 2030. So when we say 2030, some people think it's far away. If you are not aware, we're in 2024, and what that means is that 2030 is just about 6 years away. So what it means is if you are probably 20, 21, 25 now, we are saying that by the time you are getting to 30, that there will be an explosion for project management opportunities. And the reality is there's no better time to start a new career. To close the talent gap, 2.3 million people would need to enter project management oriented employment every year just to keep up with the demand. This includes project managers and all change makers. Change makers are other supporting roles like business analysts, scrum masters, product managers, and the likes. Now, what these statistics is showing us is that the industry and the opportunities for project management is growing. And what I would also like to point out is that if the opportunity is this vast, demand is this high, then the best thing to do at this point in time is to position yourself for these opportunities. So let's look at some of the roles available to project managers. So we have what we call the Agile Project Manager, Construction Project Manager, IT Project Manager, then Digital Project Manager. So I'm going to zoom in on each one. So the first one is the Agile Project Manager. Agile is fast becoming and permeating every fabric of our lives now. And then it's, as I say, that if you're a project manager now, you should position to be an Agile Project Manager. So Agile Project Manager, they lead software development projects using Agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. They also require strong technical understanding, collaboration skills, and Agile certifications. And the sectors where you can easily fit into, we have the software development sector, information technology sector, fintech, marketing advertising, and healthcare. So let's look at construction project manager. They oversee construction projects, ensuring they meet budget, timeline, and quality standards. Obviously, for this, you need to have a background in construction or construction management or engineering, excellent communication skill, and problem solving skills. Sectors that usually require construction project managers are construction, engineering, architecture, infrastructure development, and oil and gas. Then we have the IT project manager. The IT project manager manages IT infrastructure and software development projects. They require expertise in IT systems, strong analytical skills, and also it's best that you hold a project management certification like the PMP. Sectors that usually attract such talent are information technology, telecommunications, finance services, government, and manufacturing. Then we have the digital project manager. This is where I fall in anyways. They oversee digital marketing projects such as website development and social media campaigns, and needs marketing knowledge. So a good marketing background is fantastic to pivot into this. Data analysis skills, so you probably do a lot of analytics as well, and experience with project management tools. Sectors that usually require project managers in this category, we have marketing and advertising, e-commerce, media and entertainment, non-profit organizations, and the educational sector, where I fall in right now. Now, so let's look at some of the key tips or hacks that you should get involved in to be able to nail one of these roles. The first tip I'll focus on will be training and certifications. I will always say this: the knowledge and skills you have will feed you. So it is important that you invest in your growth. And then investing in your growth, we're talking about taking trainings and also earning certifications. Trainings will add obviously the skills to you, while certifications definitely will add a recognition, global recognition to you. Popular certifications like PMP, Prince2, Scrum are key certifications that you can take up. The second tip is optimization. Optimization of your profile. In this climb, I always say that it is imperative that you're on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the... Okay, I lost connection, but I'm back. I guess we need an IT project manager to address some of our infrastructure issues. But Rotem, if you can still hear me, you can give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you. So let's go back to... So I was saying that in this climb, that it is imperative that we are on LinkedIn, not just being on LinkedIn, but optimizing our profile. Optimize your LinkedIn profile with relevant keywords and showcase your project experience using strong action verbs that connote what you have done. For example, I managed the project, I delivered this product, or I increased this revenue. These keywords are what employers usually look for, that shows accomplishment. And you must take time to edit your profile so that you are more attractive to employers. So the third tip is in the presentation, it's called STAR. In the presentation of your skills, I always recommend that don't just list them, that says skill A, skill B, and co. Now you use what we call what? The STAR approach. STAR stands for you state the situation in which you use the skill, you state the task that was given, you state the action that you took, and you state the results that you achieved with that skill. Okay? Now, to showcase all transferable skills and achievements. So with STAR, what we then see in your profile is that you have been able to demonstrate mastery and competence of that skill. And that's also very critical in your career hunt. Now, another tip I want to give you is to seek remote opportunities. So you can target remote-friendly companies. And there are specific platforms that you can find this. The first platform is what we call Remote OK. You can check Remote OK for remote opportunities, or Flex Jobs to find remote opportunities. Okay, so those are some of the tips that I have for you. Now, what are your options? If you are in Canada, in the US, in the UK, there are some information that you should be aware of. The first one is the Canada. Let's talk about Canada. Canada is a haven for project management with booming tech sector and strong focus on industries like IT, clean tech. Clean tech talks about renewable energy, and healthcare. UK boasts project management strengths in finance, engineering, construction, and they usually attract top talent. US offers diverse project management opportunities across various sectors, from tech to healthcare. Remote work opportunities. The future of work is flexible. There is this report from Upwork that states that about 30% of the workforce is beginning to work remotely, especially in the area of project management. And that means a lot of opportunities are coming up from that angle. So what are some of the resources that you can use for your job hunt? The first one is job boards. Job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn are popular job boards where you can go search for jobs. Then join networking associations. For project managers, it is imperative that you join the PMI or Project Management Institute chapter, and they have in all countries. Then internship opportunities. You can also apply as interns, and there are two key recommendations here. My company, Pearson and Fusion, we have a P&F work scheme, which you can apply for. And then there's also Riping. Riping is also a global organization where you can apply for internship opportunities. But with Riping, you might have to go through an organization, but that's okay. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone for listening to me. This is just a quick webinar on how to leverage on project management opportunities. So what I will then do is, if you have a question, please raise your hands and give us thumbs up. Then I will respond to your questions. So let's take questions. So if you have a question, let me have thumbs up, please.